Welcome, today in front of me OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from power button on that device. So let's just first open the settings application and then tap to the system section, then system settings section. Then click here to wake Google Assistant with power button switcher once. Now this feature is activated, and now we should just hold the power button for half of a second, and after that we can see that the Google Assistant is here activated. If you want to just unlink the Google Assistant from our power button, we can see that we can do it by the same way, just by click here once on the switcher, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.